Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Last night we had a really good rainstorm. Everything's nice and wet this morning. That was in preparation for a pretty significant cool front that will be coming through. Tonight here is supposed to be in the 40s. So I'm going to get out and um, take care of my pepper plants. Don't want them to die. I'm also going to plant some collards in the new raised bed that we put together in the previous video. Come along with me and so I believe most of the plants that are in the beds, my lettuces, my radishes, turnips, stuff like that, brassicas, I believe they will be okay with the coal. The peppers, I'm not too confident on, nor am I too confident with the okra. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest what I can off of those plants before we move the peppers into the greenhouse. We're going to start with the pepper plant, the green pepper plants here. So most of the ones that are here now are small green peppers, not really big enough to harvest. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and leave those on and roll the dice and see what happens. Okay, let's go over to the okra. We're here at the heavy hitter okra, and lately they have been producing wildly. Okay, that's it for the okra. Let's go over to the peppers. Okay, we're outside in Pepper Row, and I can't believe that it is almost December and I'm still harvesting peppers. And these are ripe peppers at that, not really green or anything. What I'm getting now are the Texas long cowhorn peppers. And we even have an eggplant. I don't think it's big enough to harvest yet, so I'm not going to cut it. Come around to the other side. I'm looking at my squash plants and I actually have fruit. And again, this is November getting ready to go into December. Amazing. So my Scotch bonnets are turning yellow here. So we're going to get some of these. See, here you can see the lines going around the pepper. It means it got too much water and started to grow like this. Okay, all of the ripened peppers are off the plants, and this is what we ended up getting. Hopefully you can see. Pretty decent harvest. We have the two bell pepper plants over in the U bed. I have to get peppers off those or check to see if there are any. But right now, we're going to go ahead and put the peppers into the greenhouse. In this container, we have 4 different types of collards. Only 3, well, I take that back, only 2 germinated. We have the giant southern collard, and then we have the Big Daddy Greasy collard. So I'm going to plant some of the Big Daddy Greasy collards on this side of the bed. And basically what I'm going to do is take my spade here and try to dig out the entire cell without hurting the roots. It is multiple of these planted together. And then I'm going to separate them. So out of that one cell, we have 4, 5, looks like 6 plants. And all I'm going to do is to find the drip emitter, press a hole into the soil on the side of the drip emitter, plant deeply, and put soil around the plant, and then move on to the next one. The cells are, I'm sorry, the drip emitters are 6 inches apart, so that should be more than enough room for each plant. So we're going to drop another one here, backfill, move to the next emitter, and do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to do this for all of the, or as many of the Big Daddy greasy collards that I can do, and then we'll go to the giant southern. So we got the collards in. We actually got 3 types of collards in. We got one top chop right there, and the rest of these are the Southern Giant, and over there are the Big Daddy greasy collards. So if everything goes according to plan, and you know sometimes plans don't go according to how we want them, but if they do, this bed will have a lot of groceries in it, and that was the ideal. As far as the drip tape system this time, normally in every bed that I just have 2 or 3 lines coming down. But this time I decided to make better use of the space in the bed by just having the line trail all over the bed. And that allows me to actually plant more. So I think I will be successful at it. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did these necessary chores in order to prep for the cold that is approaching my way. Like I said, tonight it's supposed to be in the 40s. Thursday night it's supposed to be in the low 40s again. Friday and Saturday it's supposed to be in the 30s. So as I said, I think everything in the bed will be okay. I'm a little concerned about the bell peppers, and I'm a little concerned about the eggplant. Down in South Florida, when we had cold fronts, it got down low into the low 40s, but never in the 30s or anything like that. So I'm not sure how they're going to stand it, but only time will tell, and we'll be keeping our fingers crossed. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like bell, the notification bell all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I hope the video brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as a member, think about doing so. Approximately 3 to 4 times a month, I will post member only videos and member only comments, and even maybe do a couple of lives for members only. So if you haven't done so, take a moment to consider thinking on doing so. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Have a blessed day.